Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra. Today we're going to be catching up on some XG content. So we're going to be watching 2 music videos and 2 choreography videos. So we're going to be watching If You Know You Know music video, and then choreography video, and then also the Howling video and the choreography video for that. I'm really excited to hear and see both of these. I love the visuals that they've been putting out. They just look incredible. I love how we're not afraid to take chances, go outside the box in terms of styling, and I think that's just like so amazing to see. I love it. So yeah, so let's just get on into If You Know You Know. Like, amazing. Gorgeous. Like, I am just so impressed by the visuals already. And what are these little like cat things? If you know, you know. Tell me you don't wanna ride. That's it, I'm spinning like. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me you don't wanna ride. Wow. That's it, I'm spinning like. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. I see it in your eyes. Don't wanna fight this like feeling. Mermaid. Beautiful vocaling. Oh. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. That's it, I'm spinning like. Only way to get it right. I love how they're framed. Gorgeous. One of a kind, none of this time, oh, na, na, na. But baby, only if you know, you know. Wow. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. That's it, I'm spinning like. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. That's it, I'm spinning like. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. That's it, I'm spinning like. This is like forest is so beautiful. If you know, you know. Wow. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Wow. Such incredibly beautiful visuals and the use of like animation and what looks like water, just how it's used is just like really gorgeous. I love the camera work, nice transitions, just very like artistic and beautiful and avant-garde, and just the song itself is really nice and airy and dreamy. The vocaling is gorgeous, and they all just look beautiful. I love how we're styled. They just kill it every time. Like, again and again, it's just always just so good. And a lot of the spaces kind of have this, like, muted coloring, but it's very, like, ethereal and just, they're like water alien goddesses. Gorgeous. So let's go into the choreography video. It's like such interesting styling. I think I said this in my previous video that I think a lot of their styling too is very like, feels very Japanese, which I love. Like, you know, trying different patterns, textures, going together that maybe you wouldn't necessarily pair together, but just like looks really interesting. I love that.
If you know, you know. Tell me you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light.
Some nice footwork.
If you know, you know.
These like super chunky shoes.
Faster than the speed of light. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. I see it in your eyes. Don't wanna fight this feeling. Just let it override. Fast and we locked in, yeah. Look where the stars align. Lights gleaming off the ceiling. Come on, let's take a ride. Far beyond the skylines. Ecstatic, lights be automatic. We don't drive by, we
Maya is giving like Barbie with her blonde hair.
like, whoa, stop. Love it when you make that beat rap. Rolling with galactic rules, push and pull. I'm a freak on a beat like,
Woo.
If you're asking me where
Look at the hairstyling. So cool.
somewhere a rich place beyond my dreams. It's one of a kind, out of this time, oh, na, na, na. But baby, only if you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Yeah, we doing
Nice
non-stop to the
transition
psycho.
there.
And that means to the UNO, a UFO. But if you knew, maybe you would know. Every planet I'm on, I'ma do what I want. I don't talk when I want. Stay on this path like I already won. Sayonara, I'm gone. Ah, whoop, swoosh, yeah, that's facts. Give me that boost with a little bounce back. Hey, do my dancey dance. If you come and my girls on my throat pants like, take it out of space. We make it levitate, fly through the interstate. Cause we go up, 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 yeah, we elevate. And we ate like a dinner plate. If you're asking me what's beyond the deep, oh, come and take a leap. Just follow my lead. It's one of a kind, out of this time, oh, na, na, na. But baby, only if you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light. Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of
Love
light.
that like
Only we can get it right.
shoulder.
If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride.
That great. It's just like gorgeous.
Only we can get it right. If you know, you know.
Amazing.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Ugh. I love how these spaces have like a contrast as well. Like the forest is very like earthy. The green coloring is just really lovely with this like light streaming in from, you know, the sun, contrasting that with the inside. I'm not sure really what this space is in particular. Like, I don't know what the space is, but just like the coloring and like the art on the doors, it's like a cat. It's just like a very like desaturated colors, but it fits really nicely, and like that contrast there is just like gorgeous. So good. Okay, so let's go into Howling. I feel like this is gonna have a really different vibe. Ooh. Okay, let me turn that off. And there's like cello, maybe? Ooh. Jazzy, kind of. Ooh.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot cause it's still boom. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones.
That's connected like tic-tac-toe.
Lights go
Wow.
out, my pack just grow. Opposition, my primo post. Game hung up, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke.
Things up, attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many
God.
times and I be losing head count. See the red dot.
I like to cook, so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a
Wow.
thriller. Woke up and blessed, so I must be a killer.
Way out when it fades out, can hide in the dark.
Oh my god.
It's going down. Nothing can stop her and dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. The sound. That's how we howl.
Ooh.
That's how we howling, growling, wilding.
Wow. And the bones. Oh my
That's
god.
how we howling,
I got chills.
wilding. Where are you now?
Oh. And the black and white. Wow. Each shot is just a new delight.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like that. Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact.
First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back.
You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang.
Wow.
Beast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees. I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a
I
couple
love
thousand. Now it's not a fear surrounded. I move with silence. Group like a group of wild. There's no choice but to choose the violence.
Break out, no escape route. There's
Oh.
nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. Nothing can stop her and dangerous. If you ain't
Mermaid.
could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. The sound.
Like QR
That's how we
codes?
howl.
Ah.
That's how we howling, growling, wildin'. That's how we howling, growling, wildin'. Where are you now?
Ooh.
Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark.
Oh.
That's how we howling, growling, wildin'. That's how we howling, growling, wildin'. Where are you now?
Ah. That was probably one of the most visually stunning music videos I've ever seen, and I really love like the artistry. Just it's been such an interesting and really cool journey to see the progression in the like art of their music and their visuals. So you could see like I started watching XG content shortly after like in between when like Tippy Toes and Mascara came out after they did that XG Gals. I always forget what that's called. The cipher type of thing before like Shooting Star, and even those were like a pretty you know, there was a distinct difference in between the visuals of the video, like how they're styled, the set dressing and all of that, but just like how we've gotten further along. We're going really far into this beautiful like artistic way of just really showcasing such interesting visuals in the music videos. And I just love like we're not afraid to take chances in the styling, and just this just like even this video in particular is contrasting them in these like sort of like plain sort of suits with these really opulent and just very lovely outfits. It just lots of attention to detail, really gorgeous. I have seen some of the like photographs from those particular outfits, and they're just like absolutely beautiful, and it's just it's so cool. And just like how we're creating this really interesting universe and story, it's just been so cool to see just that like visual growth and the music, and just we're showcasing a lot of different sides to ourselves. Even these two videos and songs are vastly different. If you know, you know has this like very feminine, light and airy vibe to it, visually and also like sonically as well. And then we have Howling, which just has this kind of like edgier, a little bit animalistic, especially in some of the choreographies, particularly when they're wearing like the wolf outfits. It's just I love it. I love how we're showcasing so many different sides, so it's just like really lovely to see. And just everything, every moment of this video was just so beautiful. Like, I'm like, oh, I would love like that as a print. It's just so stunning. The cinematography, the lighting, the coloring, the setting, the contrasting colors. We have like, you know, really bright colors with black and white. It's just it's so good. Okay, so let's go into the choreography. Sorry, the choreography video for Howling. I was obsessed with that. That was stunning. Even like, it's just so amazing.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause I stick that dome. Talk is diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my primo post.
What's really nice to see as well is that all of the members really fit with all of these stylings that they're doing. You know, they're not just like, oh, Chisa is more girly, so she can't do like woke up howling style. No, everyone kills it in all facets, all genres and visuals. Amazing.
Thanks up, a time come through, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many captain, I've been losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I humble my dinner, my appetite.
They always have such interesting choreography. It's just such a thrill and interesting to watch. Gorgeous, fluid.
But they can't stop her and dangerous, so don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
It's so smooth as well.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like that. Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact.
First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Got the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back.
You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got my feet. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand hours. Now to feel surrounded. I move the silence. Root like a group of wild.
I love the way that they're moving too. It's like they're kind of very frontal, engaging with the camera, but just like with this very smooth. I am not executing it well at all in comparison to them, but just like this, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's just like captivating.
Escape route, there's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. But they can't stop her and dangerous. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now? Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
Ugh. It's just very artistic, the dancing style. We're telling a story, we're using our full body. You know, we're utilizing the space that we're in. We're doing floor work and just using our arms and just like it's absolutely gorgeous and captivating to watch, and just I love it. Like I said, I just think it's really cool, incredible to see this really amazing progression, and I feel like they're on a completely different level in terms of visuals and choreography. It's just very interesting. It is, I feel like, more from a dancer based like styling than simply just like dancing to music. You know what I mean? Like, it feels very like you could see this on just a dance competition, and it's just like really just it's really gorgeous. So I love everything that they've put out, and like I said, it's just been really cool to see this journey from them and just really get their flowers, and just I don't know, I'm just continuously impressed. So if you haven't already, check out my other extra videos. As of now, I've reacted to everything besides like those few like cipher individual videos. I only did that one, but yeah, it's amazing to see. So yeah, check those out if you haven't already. If you like the content you've been seeing, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at DKReact. You can also support me and my friends' online K-pop store, K-pop Utopia. We're at K-pop Utopia LA on our socials. You can use code DKReact to get 10% off your order. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching and take care. Bye.